Hi everyone, this is Revathi M, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this series, we are going to discuss about the intelligent system and robotics. The topic is object recognition. First, we see the introduction of object recognition. So, object recognition is a fundamental task in computer vision, has undergone remarkable advancements with the advent of neural networks and supervised learning techniques. So, involves the identification and classification of objects within digital images or video frames. This capacity holds immense importance to access various domains. For enabling autonomous vehicles to interpret their surroundings to facilitating facial recognition system and aiding medical imaging diagnostics. So the complexity of object recognition arises from the need to account for variation in scale, viewpoint, lighting conditions, and clutter within a visual data. So the traditional methods uh, relying on handcrafted features and shallow classifiers often struggle to address these challenges effectively. Next, we see the definition of object recognition. So, object recognition is the process of identifying and categorizing objects within digital images or video frames, laying the groundwork for the subsequent discussions. So, the importance in computer vision and artificial intelligence. Um, so first we see the explanation. So emphasis the significance of object recognition in advancing computer vision technologies and contributing to the broader field of artificial intelligence. Next one is we see the real world application. For example, autonomous driving cars and then facial recognition in phone, then medical imaging. These are all the real world applications. So the real world application, for example, illustrate the practical application of object recognition across various domains, showcasing its relevance and impact on everyday life. So next we see the overview of neural networks. The neural networks, a brief explanation of networks. It provides a concise overview of neural networks, serving as a foundational concept for understanding the subsequent discussion on object recognition using these networks. Next, we see the supervised learning. Supervised learning as a type of machine learning, uh, where models are trained on labeled data pairs, guiding the learning process through input-output mappings. Next, it is a feed forward and back propagations. So it describes the fundamental mechanism of feed for forward propagation, that is called as a forward pass, and backward propagation, that is called as a backward pass. Within neural network, essential of understanding how this model learn from data. So the role of activation functions. So the role of activation functions is the significance of activation functions in introducing non-linearity to neural networks, enabling them to learn complex patterns and relationship with data. Next, we see the CNN, that means convolutional neural networks. So first we see the definition of CNN. It is a specialized neural network architecture designed for processing grid-like data such as image and highlights the suitability for object recognition tasks. Motivational behind their architecture, it inspired by human visual perception. So the inspirational drawn from human visual perception in the design of CNN architecture. So this spatial hierarchies and local pattern similar to the human visual system. So the key components are convolutional layer, pooling layers, fully connected layers. Next, outline the essential component of CNN, including convolutional layers for features extraction, pooling layer for dimensionality reduction, and fully connected layer for classifications. Next, we see the data collection and pre-processing. So the importance of data in object recognition, the crucial role of high quality labeled data sets in training accurate object recognition model. Second one is the pre-processing techniques. So it is a common pre-processing step such as resizing, normalizing, and data augmentation, which helps improve the robustness of object recognition models. Next one is a data augmentation examples. So it provides examples of data augmentation technique such as rotation, flipping, and cropping, illustrating how they can increase the diversity of training data. So we come to the end of the section. I conclude this. Object recognition is a crucial task in computer vision with applications spanning diverse domain. So neural network is particularly CNNs have revolutionized object recognition by enabling end-to-end learning and raw image data. Supervised learning plays a vital role in training neural network for object recognition tasks. So I hope you enjoy this section. Thank you.